Ang daming tao. Akala namin wala. Kasi ano lang to, hanggang August lang kasi to. Museum siya, guys. Ito.
Ah, may outdoor pala.
Pila tayo dun. So, yun guys, papasok na kami. And, ito yung ticket naman. So, 24 euro per person. Ito yung maraming tao. Hi!
Oh my God!
Hi guys, pasok tayo dito.
Her joy. Her joy. Her joy. Her joy. Her joy.
Is a boat for
It's going down. Christopher Electric Moon. Wow, bumalik siya. Look guys, it's going down. Can we touch them? Wait kami ulit. So, oh wow! Girl! Takot kami guys. Ano siya kalaki dito guys, and yan, nagka-crowded po siya, kaya meron talagang nagbabantay doon. So guys, the 15 minutes is finished and it's super nice in here. It's may kids nga lang. And bawal po. Oh, yun. Yung bata yun. Bawal mag-spring. Bawal mag-jump. So, yun. Ganda. I don't know if it's the last one now, but so, it's the only balloon museum here in Old Germany. Hanggang August lang sila dito, so sulitin na. Oh, guys, may mga ano, may mga balloons like tawag nun, bubbles. Behind us there. Bubbles. Come here. Ang bango niya, guys. So guys, nahanap na po namin na meron pa pala. Ayun, na pambata. So it's basically it's like this. Hi. kung galit ka po sa ex nyo, if galit ka po sa lalaki, dito mo labas. Dito ka. Huli ka dito. It's a big balloon. Hyper Studio. Too many thoughts. Sabi. Too many thoughts daw. Ano meron dito? Look here. Bakit? So ito yung mga ano guys, pwede tayo magpa-picture dito. So guys, ang daming ano, tawag nito? Like, ang daming room para mag-photoshoot. Pumipila naman. And dito, mga balloons. Pwede kang bumili ng balloons and stuff. Ang dami lang ano, tao ngayon. 1:30 kami pumunta eh. Tapos dito, pwede kang kumain. Like, may mga cafe dito eh. Look, punta tayo sa cafe muna. Souvenirs and stuff. Oh. Merch. Oh, may popcorn. €6. Nothing, it's just a keychain. May popcorns and sweets. Ito yung mga bentang balloons. So, yun na guys. Tapos na kami. Ito yung playground. So, parang yan, may playground dito sa labas. Actually, pwede ka pa mag-stay if you want. Motion art you can feel. Yay! So that's it guys for today's video. Where are you? And you have a lot of fun. Yeah? Yeah! Yeah! So yeah. Bye guys! That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe!